Hey guys, welcome here. My name is Deepak Chahar and now we will learn about HTML list. So lists are defined with UL tag and OL tag. UL is for the unordered list like bullets etc. and OL for the ordered list like number 1, 2, 3, and they are followed by li tag, and li is for the list item. So let's take an example. So first let's create a new file. Copy this code and open a new file. Now paste it and save the file. I'm gonna name it list.html. Alright, now sales type is all type and save the file. Now remove the old code and it's a list example. So I have told you two type of lists. One is order list and another one is unordered list. So first take an example of unordered list. Alright. So it is followed by UL tag. UL is for the unordered list. Now close the UL tag. And in list we can add items with the help of li tag. Li stands for the list item. So the first list is let's guess car. Another list is let's guess bike. And the third list item is spaceship. Alright. So now save the file and see what happened. First open in the browser. Where's the file? Here's the file. Just double click on it and see car, bike, spaceship is in a list form and unordered list, so it's dotted. So now let's take example of order list. And ordered list is followed by the OL tag. OL is for the ordered list. Now close the OL tag. And same like unordered list, its item is also followed by list item li tag. Now let's guess first item is BMW. The second item is Tesla. And the third item you can add anything and as much you want, so let's add Audi. Okay. Now save the file and refresh the browser and you can see it's an order list. List is followed by 1, 2, 3 and so on if you add more. So that's the difference between order list and unordered list. You can check more example, check the link in description.